Stop bringing male children into this world. Stop bringing them into this world to carry your useless name. Because your name no get anything. So why are you obsessed with who will carry your name? Now wickedness now. Can't you see? It's wickedness for you to be looking for a child that you will transfer your poverty name to.
You gotta get up. You gotta get up and make a move.
Hello guys, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ify, and I am back again with another video. Today's video topic, we'll be talking Igbo men and their desperation stroke obsession with male children. If you know Igbo people very well, especially Igbo men, you will know that they love male children. Like, they love male children so much. You guys do not understand. Like, they are obsessed with male children. That is it. Let me use that word, obsessed. They are very obsessed with male children. Not having a male child can make an Igbo man marry another wife. I don't know if you get. I've seen so many marriages broken because of absence of male child in that family. So we really need to talk about it. We need to start talking about these things. But the thing is, they don't even understand that not having a male child is not the fault of the women. Like, it's not the fault of the wife they marry. Because in Africa, it's always believed that once they don't have child in that family, is the fault of the female. Once there is no child in that marriage, is the fault of the wife. That is how Igbo people also believe, that once you don't have a male child in that family, that is the fault of the wife, that is the fault of the female. So we need to start talking about these things. They need to understand that the men, the Igbo men, the men, not just the Igbo men, men in general, are naturally, they hold the key to male children. I don't know if you get. So we need to start educating our people. It's only in Igbo land that you will see someone that God blessed with 3 girls. They'll be looking for a boy. And you know the funny thing about this thing? This set of people, this type of people that are looking for male children are the poor amongst them, like the poor people amongst them. The rich people, they don't care too much about gender of the child. But the poor men them that are there are always the ones that are obsessed with male children. They are always obsessed on who to carry their name. You are a poor man and you are looking for a son to carry your name. No child will even be happy that you gave birth to him to carry your poverty name, your poor name. If you check the rich men, if you check the people that matters in this life, if you check people like Dangote them, people like where is it called? This Facebook CEO them, and all those rich men, billionaires them, Bill Gates them, they are not as obsessed with male children as an average poor Igbo man. Because those ones are the ones that are always obsessed with male children. It's wickedness to bring a child into this world to carry your suffer name. Who your name help? Like, is your name going to open door for anybody? Even the child self will curse you for bringing him into this world to carry your poverty-stricken name. People that have properties all over the world, they are not bothered about the gender of the child. But you that has nothing to your name is looking for a male child to carry your name. You want to transfer your poverty to the child. If you check out the rich men, if you check out the people that billionaires of this world, most of them have girls. Some even have 2 girls, some 1, and they are okay. They are very, very okay. They don't bother about the name. And you know that anybody will be very happy to carry their legacy, to carry their name. Anybody can be very happy. Anybody will be very happy to carry their name, because that name can open doors for you. That name will give you your dream life. But these people are not bothered about who carries their name or who does not. But Mr. Emeka from Amagu village, there is a farmer, a poor farmer, that cannot even afford food. He cannot even afford 1 square meal. He's looking for a male child that will carry his poor name. What even makes me angry is them blaming women for their inability to bait male kids, for their inability to produce male children. They will blame the women for it. And it's so unfortunate that even women also blame their fellow women. See, we need to change that mindset. We need to change it. The world is changing. You need to change with the world. Work very hard. The most important thing in this life is giving your kids good life. The most important thing in this life is leaving properties for your children, leaving legacy, good legacy for them, so that when they grow up, they will not suffer. That is the most important thing in this life. Whether boy, girl, the gender of your child does not matter. Give your child good life. Let's take, for instance, Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala. That lady, his father has children, he has boys, he has girls, he has children, both boys and girls, both gender. But amongst, even though the father gave all of them good life, because the father is a professor, the mother is a professor, and they gave their children good life, their children went to the best schools in the world. Okay. But if you look at it, you see that Ngozi, the female child, is the one that her name can open door for anybody in the whole world. I don't know if you get. So this is what I am talking about. It is not about the gender of your child. It is not about the gender. It's actually about the quality of training you give to them, the quality of life you give to them. So the reason why the average poor Igbo man is obsessed with male children is what I don't get, because I do not understand why someone, a poor person, is desperate to have a child, a son that will carry on with his poverty name. That is wickedness. Even that child will not be happy to even carry your poor name. If God give you a daughter, if God give you a son, cherish the children that you have. See, don't get me wrong. I am not against praying for a male child or against praying for a female child. No, that is not my point. Of course, there are people that prefer male children to female children. There are people that prefer female children to male children. These things are choices, okay? So it's choice. That is different thing from what I am saying. What I am saying is people that are desperately looking for male children solely because they want someone to carry on with their name. That is the type of people I'm addressing. Okay, that is the people I am addressing in this video. So you guys, you know yourselves. Stop giving birth to male children. Stop, instead of raising your kids, instead of trying to give your kids better future, you are looking for male children that will carry your poor name. Stop it. It is wickedness of the highest order. Okay, so this is my message in this video, and I hope that you guys share this video so that it will get to everybody, it will get to every Igbo person that you know, especially those ones in the village. Let it get to them. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your bell notification, and keep up. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.